this shit get overplayed. I can't keep on calling and waiting on you, I'm not the same. Crazy how we was hurt, but fuck it, some things just gotta change. I've been popping pills, drinking codeine, just to hide the pain. Crazy how you was someone, the next day you had up and changed. Remember them long nights we was talking, you was pulling on my chains. You did the most, tell me you love me, why was you acting strange? Can't believe I show you that love, I ain't deserve this pain. Look at me, what do you see? Thought we was meant to be. Angel numbers, cartoon dresses, screenshots of wedding rings. Worry about all them bitches, damn, you was stressing me. Dropping tears, trying to hide it, cause you didn't see that I was up every night riding. You was the best of me, told grandma I love you, she said she was the best for me. Talking about you to her like grandma, I miss my fucking queen. Several nights I